In this video, I will be showing you how to edit a PDF file in Canva. Let's get started. First, starting on the Canva homepage, I head over to the top left corner and click on Create a Design. From the drop-down menu, I select YouTube Thumbnail to set up a clean workspace. Next, I move over to the left side menu and click on the Uploads tab. Then, I click the purple Upload Files button to open my file manager. I browse through my local files, select the PDF document I want to edit, and click Open to bring it into Canva. Once the upload is complete, I select the uploaded document from my library to place it right onto the main editing canvas. Now that the file is loaded, I can edit any element on the page. I double-click on the text box to select the wording, then type in my new text to update it to "What is that?" ensuring the alignment stays neat. Next, I click on the main image element and select Edit from the top toolbar to adjust its visuals. I open the Filters panel, explore the options, and apply a warm filter to enhance the overall color tone. To add more visual emphasis, I click on Effects in the top toolbar, select the Glow option, and adjust the intensity slider to strengthen the effect. Lastly, I open the Color palette and select a vibrant shade that seamlessly matches the background theme. With all text changes, filter adjustments, and styling effects applied, the document looks completely refreshed and polished. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to edit a PDF file in Canva.